If you are into home finds that make adulting easier, you're going to love this because today I'm sharing the gadgets that genuinely made my life smoother. Over the past couple of years, I have realized that I absolutely hate spending my energy on repetitive housework. And while I do enjoy clean and cozy space, I am definitely not someone who finds joy in doing dishes or sweeping floor every day. Earlier, I used to think that things like dishwasher and robot vacuum cleaners were just luxury buys. I started investing in few things that will save time and mental space. In this video, I am sharing 5 home gadgets. So if you're someone who works long hours, lives alone, or just want to make home care feel less exhausting, this one is for you. If you are a working professional, you know how hard it is to manage work, home, and cleaning. And on days when the maid doesn't show up, it's even tougher. That's exactly why I bought this dreamy robot vacuum cleaner. It easily picks up dust, hair, and even mops the floor, which is a lifesaver if you have pets or kids. The smart navigation helps it move around chairs, tables, sofas, and even under the bed without getting stuck. Setup is simple, just install the app, let it map your home once, and then you can control everything from your phone. You can select different modes, different water levels. You can basically fully customize it and even select specific rooms or cycles for targeted cleaning. For me, this has been a game changer gadget for Indian homes. No more dependency on maids, and my house is always clean even when I'm busy with work. I have been using this Bosch dishwasher for over a year now, and honestly, it's been a game changer for my kitchen. Especially for Indian cooking, where we deal with oily kadhai, pressure cookers, and big utensils, it cleans everything so well. It comes with 5 to 6 different wash programs, so you can choose based on your load. Using it is very simple, just put the utensils inside, add dishwasher detergent, select a mode, and press start. You can even schedule it as per your convenience, which is super helpful. The best part, it's completely hygienic, saves water, and your utensils come out sparkling clean with zero effort. I have been using this Wonder Chef soup maker for a while now, and honestly, it's such a time saver. The build quality is really good and the blades inside are strong enough to handle almost anything. It also comes with a cord, so it's easy to set up and use. What I love is that it has 6 preset modes, from smooth and creamy soups to chunky ones, and even blending option for drinks. Using it is super simple, just add your ingredients with water and seasoning, close the lid, select the mode you want, and press start. In a few minutes, you get fresh, hot, homemade soup with zero effort. This butterfly food processor is one of the most versatile gadgets in my kitchen. It comes with multiple jars, you can juice, chop, grind, and even knead atta in it. I mainly use it for kneading dough because it's completely mess free and hygienic. You just add the atta, a little salt, close the lid, and keep adding water slowly while it runs. Within minutes, you get perfectly soft dough without using your hands. It really saves both time and effort, especially on busy mornings when you want fresh rotis without the hassle. The last gadget is this Solara electric kettle. I picked it in pink and it looks super aesthetic in the kitchen. It heats water really fast, so whether it's for morning hot water, black tea, or even coffee, it's ready in just a couple of minutes. Once you start using it, you will wonder how you managed without it. Let me know in the comments if you have used any of these or if there is anything on your wish list which you have been thinking of buying. And if you want a detailed video or real life pros and cons of any of these gadgets, drop a comment and I will definitely try to create a separate video or a reel if it helps. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.